तो आखिर सोच क्या रहे हो?
Have you ever lost in the crowd, searching for that one place where you truly belong? Are you searching for a community that matches your passion for finance and grow? A place where learning meets fun, where the future meets now. Your zeal for finance and development is not only recognized but celebrated. These are the questions on every fresher's mind as they search for belonging and direction. Then, what's holding you back? Our society is where you will find the answers you have been searching for, a place where all your questions find clarity. Welcome to Finanza, the finance society of Dayal Singh College.
Hi guys, we are Finanza, the finance society of the Arts College. We are dedicated to empower young individuals to achieve their financial dreams. Our platform fosters a great understanding of business, finance, and global economy.
What we are focusing on?
We aim at imparting financial literacy and education, developing a community of financially aware individuals, providing opportunity of networking and connection.
So you might be thinking, what we have done in past?
In past, we have organized webinars with top industrial professions, held various competitions and sessions on finance.
Must be wondering, why Finanza?
By engaging with the society, individual will learn about financial concepts, practices and technologies. We strive for continuous growth, expansion and innovation.
तो आखिर सोच क्या रहे हो?
Take a step forward towards an exciting journey and be a part of our
Finanza family.